Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today our topic is what is molecule and its different types with examples. Molecule is the smallest particle of matter which can exist independently as a separate unit. These are called molecules. Except noble gases, molecules are formed by the combination of atom. They show all the properties of that particular substance. As I said earlier, that noble gases have all valence shell electrons complete. So that's why they never go for any chemical bonding or chemical reaction. So they always exist in monoatomic form, in one atom form. They never form molecule. Now there's a type of a molecules on the basis of number of atoms. So on the basis of the number of atoms, molecules are four types. That is monoatomic, diatomic, triatomic, and polyatomic. They are described as first monoatomic molecule. Those molecules which consist of only one atom are called monoatomic molecule. For example, it includes all the noble gases like helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, and radon. As I said, they never go for any reaction, so they always exist in atomic form. They never form bonds because of compressed valence electron. Now, there's another type which is diatomic molecule. Those molecules which consist of two atoms are called diatomic molecules. Examples of these are carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide have one carbon and one oxygen, so it have two atoms. Similarly, other example is oxygen. Oxygen molecule have two atoms of oxygen, so it is also diatomic, two atoms. Then it comes triatomic molecule. Those molecules which consist of three atoms are called triatomic molecule. Examples are carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide has three atoms, one carbon and two atoms of oxygen. So that's why it is triatomic. Similarly, water is another example. Water has two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. It also includes three atoms total. So it is also a triatomic molecule. Now there is another polyatomic molecules. Poly means many. Those molecules which consist of many atoms are called polyatomic molecules. For example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It is made up of two hydrogen atom, one sulfur, and four atoms of oxygen. They all combine to form sulfuric acid. So here you see it involves so many atoms. So that's why it is called polyatomic molecule. Then sulfuric molecule. Sulfur molecule is made up of 8 atoms of sulfur. It is also polyatomic. Types of molecules on the basis of nature of atom. On the basis, there are two types. Homoatomic molecule. Homo means same. A molecule which have same kind of atoms. It consisting of atoms of the same element is called homoatomic molecule or homonuclear molecule. For example, oxygen molecule. Oxygen has two atoms of oxygen and both atoms are same, so it is called homoatomic. Similarly, nitrogen molecule. Nitrogen molecule N2, which is also made up of two nitrogen atoms. Both atoms are same, so it is also called homoatomic molecule. Then it comes heteroatomic molecule. Hetero means different. A molecule consisting of atoms of the different element is called heteroatomic molecule or heteronuclear molecule. For example, carbon monoxide molecule. Carbon monoxide is made up of one carbon and one oxygen. So carbon is a different atom and oxygen is a different atom. So it is made up of two different atoms. That's why carbon monoxide is a hetero molecule. Similarly, water molecule. Water molecule is also a hetero molecule. It is made up of different kind of atoms. Like hydrogen is a different atom, oxygen is a different atom. So that's why it is called heteroatomic molecule. Now there are type of molecules on the basis of sizes. Macromolecule. Macro means very big. Very big molecules consisting of a large number of atoms are called macromolecules. For example, hemoglobin. A macromolecule found in the blood consists of nearly 10,000 atoms per molecule and it is 68,000 times heavier than a hydrogen atom. So hemoglobin is the most heavy molecule. Another is a polyvinyl chloride or plastic. Plastic is also made up of catenation of carbon. It is also very heavy molecule. So these are called macromolecules.